Hey guys, welcome back. Today we try and understand some of the important functions that you'll use day in, day out uh, while doing job, or when you're using time series analysis, or you're trying to work on dates specifically. So this is one of the formula that everyone uses day in, day out, where if they're using or working on dates. So the function that we have to start up today is the function day. Yeah. So it's very simple. So day, what day function does is it returns the day of a date represented by a serial number. So day is given as an integer ranging from 1 to 31. Okay. So suppose I want to get the day. Let me do some changes here. Let me change the formatting of some of the dates as well. So that we'll see it by changing the formatting, does it change anything else as well? So I'll make the formatting as this one will do. Okay. So I have three different formattings as well. I'll have a text. So I would have a text of 29/5/2005, just to show you what happens if I have a text and if I run the function on it. So what day does, it just gets the day from a specified date. Even if I have a serial number, so let me have a serial number of value of, let me get a serial number is equal, to date value. If you have seen my earlier uh, session on date value, you would able to understand what I'm doing with date value as of now. So 38501. I have to pay special values only. So I'll add 5,000 to this just to have a different date. Yeah, I'll just remove this. Okay. So what we're trying to do is we are trying to get a day from different formats of date, from text as well as a serial number. So let's start with the function. So what the function is, you have to give the is equal to or day, and then you need to select the date or the serial number. So you need to select date or serial number, any one of them. Yeah. So if I select this, it will give me a day. So let's try. So this is 10th of April 2025. I'll specify is equal to day of this particular date. It will give me 10. So it is 10th is the day. Same way for another format. If I'm trying to find the day of this 29th April, it will give me 29. Same way, if I'm doing it for another format, day, and the date that is specified, it will give me the day, that is 29. So it exactly points out which day is there in this particular date and gives you out the day of that particular date. Same way, if I have a serial number and if I try to run the day function on it, it will give me the day. Yeah. Okay. So this is fifth day of some month or some year. If you want to see which month and which year, you can just change this formatting. You see 5th of February 2019. I'll just keep it as serial number as of now. So it was 5th of Feb. So it gave you the day as 5th. Now, if I try to run the same formula on this text, which is formatted as a date, it is giving me the exact date as well. Yeah. So it gives you the date even if it is specified as a text. It automatically converts it to a date and gives you the serial number of that particular day in this particular date. Now, there are few things that you need to remember while using the day function. So Microsoft Excel stores days as sequential serial numbers. So they can be used in calculation. By default, the January 1, 1900 is stored as 1 and January 1, 2008 will be stored at 39,448 because it is 39,448 days after the first day, that is January 1, 1900. Okay, so you need to be cautious of the days when you are pulling it using a serial number. Okay, so this is how you use day function in Excel to retrieve the day, specific day from a date. Hope you understood the concept. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos, informative videos directly to your inbox. Moreover, it will keep me motivated to post or create such free informative contents for your people. Thank you so much.